we choose to go to the moon because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept and one we intend to win.
T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
Magnificent ride. I'd like to trace through a little bit for you. Back on this flight, we've carried along pieces of bread. Along with the bread, we have a ham spread.
Retro. Go. Fido. Go. Guys. Go. Patrol. Go. Telcom. Go. GNC. Go. Ecom. Go. Surgeon. Go. Capcom, we're go for landing.
Eagle Houston, you're go for landing, over. Roger, understand. Go for landing. 3,000 feet. 1201. Roger, 1201 alarm.
1201 alarm.
Same time, we're go, flight.
Okay, we're go.
Same time, we're go. 40 feet down, 2.5. Picking up some dust. 30 feet, 2.5 down. Straight shadow. Contact light. Okay, engine stop. Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Now I want to back up and partially close the hatch. Making sure not to lock it on my way out. That's our home for the next couple hours. We want to take good care of it. Beautiful view. Magnificent desolation.
Because of what you have done, the heavens have become a part of man's world. For one priceless moment in the whole history of man, all the people on this earth are truly one.
Tranquility Base, Houston, you're cleared for takeoff. Roger, understand. We're number one on the runway. We've come to the conclusion that this has been far more than 3 men on a voyage to the moon. More still than the efforts of a government and industry team. More even than the efforts of one nation. We feel that this stands as a symbol of the insatiable curiosity of all mankind to explore the unknown.